The bird stayed put. Everyone else flew away. A huge storm was approaching. The sky darkened. The wind grew louder each minute. One by one, the other birds took off and disappeared into the gray sky. They understood the danger. But this bird did not move, not even an inch. It remained on the same small branch. Rain started falling hard. The wind bent the trees. Still, the bird stayed. People passing by started wondering, why would a bird risk everything just to stay there? Then they saw it, hidden beneath that tiny branch, a fragile nest. Inside were 3 small eggs. The bird was not stubborn. It was not confused. It was protecting something more important than its own safety. The storm lasted for hours, but the bird never left. I06, because sometimes courage is not flying away from danger. Sometimes courage is staying when everything tells you to run. Maybe animals understand responsibility better than we do. Hun.